You, what's going on, guys? Josh Boy the Gamer here today, doing a vlog. I'm going to be doing a parkour challenge outside tomorrow. Maybe later. So, yeah.
Oh, Josh, can we go back in the shade?
Who loves nature here?
Me.
I love nature! Nature is good. Nature is great. I know the way from my back garden to my front garden.
Oh my god, that was time.
I really love nature! Nature!
I love it! Woo! Oh, my ball.
Nature is awesome.
But I don't like stepping in dust foot.
No, they are.
Because I just did.
Oh, did you? I can smell it.
Dog shit, man.
Tell you guys, it's a nice, lovely summer's day. Everyone is out.
I'm going to faint. Ah, man.
You're probably wondering, why am I wearing my jacket? Because it was cold earlier, that's why. I really do love nature. Nature. I maybe actually do a parkour challenge after this video.
Maybe.
Probably will.
Leave that alone under. I'm just going to hear me sitting. There's a bug in
No.
there. No, there's not.
It's just a wee vlog. I love nature.
Where then?
So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, punch a like button in the face and subscribe for more. And thank you guys and good. Bye!
Wait, what happened?